This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make brownies for beginners. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, flour, eggs, butter, and a touch of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking from the start. Also, prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper or greasing it well. This makes removal much easier. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, melt 1/2 cup of butter. Stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Finally, gently fold in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder until just combined. Do not overmix. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into the prepared 8x8-inch baking pan. Spread it out gently to ensure a consistent thickness. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Let them cool completely before cutting. After your brownies have cooled completely, it's time for the best part, cutting and enjoying them. Use a sharp knife to cut them into 16 equal squares. You can serve them plain or elevate the experience with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. They're perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.